Back in July, AyaNeo made waves in the gaming world by unveiling the complete specifications of their highly anticipated handheld gaming console, the AyaNeo Kun. After months of anticipation, the brand has excitingly announced that the console is finally set to launch next week on the popular crowdfunding platform, Indiegogo. The recent news from AyaNeo sheds light on the pricing details of the AyaNeo Kun, revealing an intriguing starting price point of $999. This particular version boasts a respectable 16 gigs of RAM, coupled with a generous 512 gigs of storage, offering a comprehensive gaming experience. However, this attractive price tag is accompanied by a catch. There will be only a limited number of units available at this special price, adding an element of exclusivity to the offer. Additionally, AyaNeo shared that the Indiegogo price for the console will be set at $1,129, making it a still alluring option for those who might miss out on the initial limited offer. For gamers seeking even more memory and storage capabilities, AyaNeo provides alternative options to cater to different needs. Enthusiasts can opt for a version equipped with a substantial 32 gigs of RAM, and the choice of either 1 TB or a whopping 2 TB of storage, priced at $1,159 and $1,259, respectively. However, for those who demand nothing short of the utmost performance, the top-tier version stands ready to deliver. Boasting an impressive 64 gigs of RAM and a capacious 4 TB of storage, this powerhouse configuration comes with a price tag of $1,699, making it the pinnacle of the AyaNeo Kun lineup. The AyaNeo Kun, as per its disclosed specifications, boasts an 8.4-inch IPS display with a native 1600p resolution, promising vibrant and immersive visuals for gamers on the go. At its heart beats an AMD Ryzen 7 7840U processor, accompanied by a Radeon 780M integrated GPU that promises capable graphics performance for a handheld device. This impressive processing power is further complemented by configurations offering up to 16 gigs of LPDDR5 RAM and storage options of up to 2 TB NVMe SSD, ensuring rapid data access to keep up with the demands of modern gaming. At the core of the AyaNeo Kun's impressive capabilities lies its robust and reliable power source, a substantial 75 Wh/hours or 19,500 mAh battery. Crafted to endure the most intense gaming sessions, this high-capacity battery ensures that your adventures remain uninterrupted by offering extended hours of playtime. In the area of connectivity, the AyaNeo Kun leaves no stone unturned. It embraces modern connectivity standards, featuring a selection of ports that cater to various needs. Users are presented with two USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 ports, ready to accommodate your peripheral devices and accessories. Additionally, the USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 port stands ready to offer versatile connectivity options, while an HDMI 2.0 port ensures that you can seamlessly connect the console to a larger display for an immersive gaming experience. The inclusion of a 3.5mm audio jack ensures that you can enjoy your favorite soundscapes without compromise, whether through headphones or external speakers. The AyaNeo Kun is meticulously developed to elevate your gaming encounters to new heights. Its thoughtful construction incorporates customizable back buttons, empowering you to tailor your gameplay to your unique preferences. With a competitive starting price of $1,099, the AyaNeo Kun presents itself as a formidable contender in the gaming console arena. Boasting a harmonious blend of power, performance, and innovative features, it promises an immersive and exhilarating gaming experience. Whether you're a casual gamer seeking an engaging pastime or a dedicated enthusiast pursuing the apex of gaming performance, the AyaNeo Kun offers a compelling and feature-rich solution that is poised to leave a lasting mark on the gaming landscape. I'm already looking forward to testing this console and sharing my emotions with you, so I hope the full review will be soon. Have a nice day and see you soon.